subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. The thumb, you just stamp on it. Bam, 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 bam. Boom.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Hey yo guys, welcome back to another video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on post notification by clicking the bell icon so that you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. Also share this video on all your social media platforms and drop a like on this video as well. It will definitely do me a solid. So yeah. Your boy Leo Caribbean on the Ike YouTube. I miss you guys. Today's an epic day, guys. We are hiking to Fort Barrington. Yo, your boy done dead already now. But make us rewind to this morning. When me dey home, I get ready. Oh, come here. Oh, you mean? Let's do that now, no? Yo, shh. Might be still asleep, alright? So we can wake her up just about, well, not right now. It's after 4. We're leaving like after 5. Still dark outside, oh, you mean? Alright, so we can get ready right now. Look who woke up and getting ready. Alright. Yep, we're on the outside, boarding the vehicle to go to the starting point. Let's get this going. Yes, folks, we're here on location. This is where we're starting from. Your boy Leo Caribbean signing in. Well, Andy, I know American here, so the hike going on no music, no daddy. Let me get some background music. Yo, editor, background music. Yeah, it's more like it. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, me. Yep, look, the sun rise up in the back there right there. So beautiful. Oh, you mean? Yeah, we're far now, all the way over, so we have to go up there, so Goat Shit Hill. But yeah, nevertheless, up on the trail. Alright, we get closer and closer. Look it right there, so we have some kind of bridge to cross. Yeah, I can't see it yet, but yeah, we're getting close. Yep. Feeling lovely. We're on the hike. Alright, so we got Babe on the bridge right there. So, oh, you mean? I was taking a stop to take some photos. Yep. Yep. So we're on the bridge right now. We're heading over to that location over there. So, yeah, that's what's happening. Alright, so roll with the kid, no man. Blast with me, no man. Oh, you mean? I haven't done one of this in a while, so you don't know, I'm super excited. Let's go! I like the view.
And I like it.
Good morning. Almost there. Yo, morning. Yeah, man. We reach. And guys, mind you, I'm doing this with both hands, not freed. Babe down there, she can't really do this hard one, so she can take the easier pathway, so yeah. Woo. Babe over there struggle. Okay. Okay. Babe over there being safe. Yo, epicness. Yeah, we got baby girl over there. Oh wow, look at the view. Fort Barkley, Fort Barrington, murder, yo. All right.
Where that wave they come from? Mind your phone drop now.
Alright, we got everybody way over there to this side and I come over here. But try and explore what carry on. You see me? Hey yo, you don't know it's your boy Lake Caribbean. We went across on the other side and this is what it looks like over here. I'm at the top. At the top, you don't know. We take it to the next level, bro. We can't just limit ourselves. You check? We go all out. I love this. You see me? What do you mean?
Trendsetter. Casual, you're gonna get about water shoes.
Alright guys, so yeah, we went to this morning and now you caught up back with me. Yo people, I went the furthest that I could have gone on this hike and yo, I love it. This is what we're doing right now. We're trying to get back over to meet the others. It's a long journey for me because I'm taking the lower part which is down in the water. Thank you so much for being here with me guys. Yo, you don't know what it is now. Yo, this is so freaking epic people. Yo, y'all need to do this. Fort Barrington, yo, y'all need to come here guys. You see me? Boy Lake Caribbean, we out here. You don't know. Gotta explore Antigua. Antigua have a lot of places now guys. Y'all just gotta explore. We're back home guys. It was lovely. Had a blast. Yep. Some hiker right there. And to just pull up. You see me? Oh, you mean? Yeah man. So it was really lovely. Thank you guys for coming out with us. Where are we going next? If you want to find out, you gotta subscribe. Hit that red button, subscribe button down there. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Alright, we get lit every time, man. Your boy Lake Caribbean, we're back. We're back. Feels good to say that, yo. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, so we're back.